Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're well. So in today's video I'll be cooking okra soup, which is also known as Alasepo. So let's delve right into it. Soup, going to let my onion cook for a while. So after cooking my onion in my palm oil, I'll be going in with my iru, which is also known as locust bean. After adding my iru, I'll be going in with my pepper just to fry it for a little bit. Going in with my curry, a little bit, and my thyme, and my non-chicken. I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for a while. Adding my curry and my thyme and my Maggi, I'm just going to cover it. So after cooking my soup for a while, I'm just going to add my beef stock. After adding my beef stock, I'm just gonna add my proteins, which I've got beef, I've got shaki, I've got shrimps, I've got fish, and I've got crabs. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. And after mixing, I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook for a while. So while I wait for my stew to be done, I'm just going to make my eba. Daniel, why are you not giving him the phone? So guys, I usually like to parboil my okra before adding it to the stew. This is what works for me. This is my own technique. You can always do what works for you. You can always do your own technique, but this is what works for me. Add the fish now. I'm just gonna leave it here for a few minutes then.